Burkina Faso can't tell us what to do here. They can't ask us questions because there's absolutely nothing they give us. America is giving us billions and billions and billions. Now if somebody gives you billions and they have something they're unhappy about, it is your right to tell them, no, you are wrong. America is wrong in the assessment. But we mustn't say America must go to hell. I'm a leader. If America leaves, people are going to lose their jobs. People are going to die. At the moment, there's doctors that don't even have jobs. At the moment. If we lose PEPFAR, you see, I'm not those politicians that says things that people want to hear. We can't afford to lose PEPFAR. We can't afford to lose AGOA. We have the highest unemployment rate in the world. Now I must come here and say Trump must go to hell. What about the people? Who's going to give them jobs? Who's going to? We must get our ducks in a row first. We've got minerals, we've got gas. Once we have that, you see, a leader must not be emotional. You must not now say Trump must go to hell. Then Trump says, let me show you. Then the people are going to die, the HIV positive people, because we depend on 25% of our HIV/AIDS budget is from PEPFAR. AGOA is giving hundreds and thousands of people jobs, particularly in the Western Cape and the Eastern Cape.